Good day, everyone. This is the on-the-job training from Synergy Auto Ventures Corporation, Nissan Alabang, presented by John Rich Marco Verano. This is the table of contents. Number 1 is company background, OJT activities, technical skills, soft skills, and engineering problems. Let's start. What is the company about? So, Nissan Alabang is an authorized dealership and service center under the global brand Nissan, known for delivering innovative mobility solutions. Located in Muntinlupa City, it offers a full range of automotive service, including vehicle sales, maintenance, and repairs. The dealership is operated by one of the country's established automotive groups and adheres to Nissan global standards for quality, customer service, and technical experience. Nissan Alabang Service Department is equipped with modern diagnostic tools and staffed by trained professionals, providing a hands-on learning environment for engineering and technical trainees. The company upholds strong values of integrity, efficiency, and customer satisfaction, making it an ideal ground for inspiring electrical engineers in automotive field. So, here are some of the OJT activities. Number 1 is Assisted Service Advisors. Supported in customer receptions, job orders, preparation, and vehicle release processes. We also perform battery health checks, use diagnostic tools to assess vehicles, battery conditions in the workshop. We also replace electrical components, help technicians in replacing dome lamps, fog lamps, and customer vehicles. We also do observing electrical diagnostics, gain exposure to basic automotive electrical procedures and repair procedures. So what are the technical skills that we learn? Number 1 is battery diagnostic testing. Learn how to use diagnostic tools to check the health and performance of every battery vehicle. Number 2 is basic electrical repairs. Gain hands-on experience in replacing electrical components like dome lamps, fog lamps, and other lamps. Number 3 is service workflow familiarity. Understood the process of vehicle servicing from intake to release, including the job order handling. Workshop tools handling. Become familiar with common tools and safety practices used in automotive electrical servicing. Next is the soft skills. Communication skills. Improve in interacting with the service advisors, technicians, and customers. Number 2 is teamwork. We learn how to work effectively with both office and workshop staff to complete the task efficiently. We also learn adaptability. Adjusted quickly to the fast-paced service environment and handle various responsibilities. Number 4 is attention to details, ensuring the accuracy in diagnostic documentation and assisting with repairs. So what are the engineering problems that we have encountered during our OJT? So here's the outline. Introduction, uh, objectives, significance of the study, discussion of the problem, proposed solution, technical skills learned, soft skills learned, and lastly, conclusion. So, engineering problems and technical and soft skills. During the OJT, at Nissan Alabang, the students was given an opportunity to observe and participate in various technical problems, procedures, and vehicle inspections. This hands-on experience provided valuable insights into how automotive systems are checked, diagnosed, and maintained in a professional service management. Throughout the internship, the trainee encountered actual vehicle concerns such as battery issues, electrical malfunctions, and general maintenance needs. Addressing these cases required not only technical knowledge but also the ability to communicate findings clearly with technicians and service advisors. One of the technical challenges observed during the internship, along with the skills developed throughout the process, will be discussed in the following section. So, a common but important issue encountered during the OJT training was the detection of weak vehicles during routine maintenance check. While assisting in the battery health inspection, one unit showed a low voltage reading that indicated the battery might soon fail. This posed a risk to the vehicle's reliability, particularly in starting during early hours or under heavy load condition. Upon further inspection, it was found that corrosion builds up on the battery terminal may have contributed to the voltage drop. Additionally, the battery log uh, records were not always updated, which made it difficult to trace the history of the previous replacement of charging behavior. This lack of documentation increased the challenge of making immediate and accurate service decisions. So, as an intern, I took part in cleaning the battery terminals, securing the connections, and retesting the unit. If the voltage remained low, the issue was escalated to the service advisor, and the battery replacement recommendation was made to the client. This experience emphasized the importance of preventive maintenance, accurate measurements, and clear communication with the both technical and the advisory team. So what are the proposed solutions? But let's first discuss the objective of the study. To observe and assess the condition of automotive batteries through voltage check and visual inspection. To identify early signs of battery failure such as low voltage, reading, or corroded terminals. To assess in preventive actions such as terminal cleaning, retesting, or recommending battery replacement. To document findings in the service records and contribute to better maintenance tracking. So, let's discuss now the proposed solutions. What are the proposed solutions? Perform routine battery health assessment using digital tester before every general service. Number 2. Clean battery terminals regularly to prevent voltage drop caused by corrosion. Number 3. Educate. Also, it is important to educate the customer on proper vehicle usage habits to maintain its battery life. Number 4. Lastly, maintain a battery health log check per vehicle to track the change over time and detect early deterioration. So, in conclusion, on the OJT at Nissan Alabang provided the student valuable first-hand experience in automotive servicing, diagnostic, and teamwork within the professional environment. Through hands-on activities such as vehicle inspection, battery health checking, light replacement, and sales documentation, the student was able to apply technical knowledge in real-world scenarios, encountering issues like faulty batteries and vehicle maintenance needed to taught the importance of precise testing, accurate record keeping, and effective communication with service personnel. So let me show you a short vlog of what it look like in my uh, serv in my OJT at Nissan Alabang.